we came to Pokagon State Park to celebrate birthdays with friends. But the weather seems to have other plans. And the one thing we came here for isn't even open. So the one thing we came here to do isn't even open. I guess we just have to find something else to make this birthday trip worthwhile.
So the question is, can we save the trip?
Hey, we came to Pokagon State Park here in Indiana. It's going to be a rainy weekend. We got two people celebrating birthdays, one of them being Joni, the other one being Jeff Bessner. And they just showed up. We got some other friends showing up, and we're just hoping to enjoy the weekend. We are expecting a lot of rain, but there's a lot to do here. There's a toboggan run that we'd like to check out. There's a bunch of other things like hiking, tons of hiking here. Just a really nice area, so we're just going to hope we enjoy this area and get to celebrate the weekend for the birthdays, and hopefully we just get through it with all the rain.
So the rain has stopped for a few minutes. Some people have gotten here, and because there's going to be a decent sized group of us, Jeff and Lindy brought their canopy for I think it holds 20 people. So 3 of the guys are going to set it up, and I'm going to make a time lapse. Yeah, you go first.
Okay.
Well, here's Steph and Joni.
Mike picked this out?
Steph.
Yeah. Well, no, I
You did
picked
good
that out.
for being colorblind.
He picked the bag. I did the confetti paper.
Fred. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, it's a cross. Yeah.
Well, no, look at it this way.
Oh, it's
Oh, that's
oh,
even cooler.
American flag. That's cool.
That's the sticker part.
That is really cool.
They could both actually be for the Jeep.
Well, they could be all
They're meant to be Jeep badges.
That one.
That yellow thing is a bomb.
Back bomb.
Shower bomb.
Bath
You put it in
bomb?
the bower.
Stuck it in there.
You put it in the bottom of the
It's a
shower.
bomb.
And then
Yeah.
That yellow thing is a bomb.
You can't say bomb on a plane.
a friend of
doesn't
ours
smell.
made it. I don't know what.
It's
Bomb,
supposed to
bomb, bomb,
taste
bomb, bomb,
Megan
bomb.
made it, So
You know the best gift you ever gave me?
The chainsaw.
Chainsaw.
Yeah.
I wonder if you
I
brought
still
it.
haven't gotten one, a real one, big one.
She hadn't got me one either, so there's a two-way street going on right there.
Well, now we know what to
Yeah.
I didn't
Because
want
you
Mike
can't
to
drink out
steal
of
it.
Ah, this is nice. To see how it's tapered
Like this.
with all of
Yeah,
our
it goes in the cup
holders. Yeah.
Yeah.
For that new camper.
If
There you
when
go.
we find the
When we
one,
find it,
Motor
we
home.
sell, well, this one's got to sell first, but this will be for the new camper.
That's cool.
Oh my word!
holy
Oh
cow!
wow!
You get
Look
to
at
use these too, Mike.
those are yeah, your name's on it, Mike. Those are beautiful. Thank
Wow.
you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, brother. Brother
Hey.
from another mother.
Mr. Sister.
No, I'm your sister from
From
another
another-
mister. All right, we have another member of the party just showing up. We got New Yorkers coming.
Hopefully you can hear me. We're having issues with how much rain it is, and we're going to lower it on one side so it doesn't fly away.
Oh my goodness. Mike, look behind you. Look. Hey, this works.
This is what we decided to do with this tent, is to lay it halfway so it doesn't float away.
Or
It might still float away, but it
blow
might
away.
blow away.
That's way better.
Yeah, this is so much better.
Yeah.
While it's in this position, we could patch the holes.
Okay, I'm gonna go pee because I got really wet. It's making me have to
You
pee.
don't have to go in because
You realize you can pee right here, nobody will know.
Nobody will know, except it'll be yellow because I'm not very hydrated. All right, so we have people started emerging from their campers. We were supposed to be having breakfast together, but I mean, you can see there's not a whole lot of opportunity to be cooking breakfast outside right now. But we're just hanging out. We're going to talk. We're going to try to get out and do stuff, do something as soon as the rain breaks. All right, what we got going on today, birthday girl?
Okay, so everybody's out there cooking. We've got some sausages going. And,
Sausage, French toast.
oh, there's going to be so much food. We're not going to eat.
The Besseners
probably till
don't know
dinner.
how to go small when it comes to food. So.
Like, there's all kinds of stuff going on. Other people also arrived for hanging out. And hopefully, Mike will let me cut into my birthday cake because
Well, it's your birthday today.
He wouldn't let me do it last night, so
But today is your actual birthday, and that's when you eat birthday cake, on your birthday.
I want to eat birthday cake.
Leave
all
in the
week.
comments below if it's acceptable to do your birthday before your birthday. I mean,
Well, I'm sorry, but there's people that like celebrate the whole month. I'm not asking the whole month, but it was just the weekend.
you get a weekend.
I'm just saying.
But you can't have your birthday cake until it's your birthday.
Okay.
no thing.
Look at that little red head.
Red hair and blue eyes.
You got voluntold, didn't you?
Voluntold.
Yeah.
What that is, I mean.
Fresh toast. See what we're dealing with right here. Thankfully, we got a concrete pad with a big section here. So we tried to put this up on both of the concrete pads and then put that in the middle for the mud. So that's how we've been managing. All right, so far we've started our day with nothing but rain, but hopefully the day isn't lost. We're all huddled under tents and awnings,
And there's been tornadoes around us
Yeah.
and near where Jeff and Lindy actually live, and they know people that have been affected. Union City, Michigan, or
Three River.
Three River, Michigan, and they've gotten affected by
Yeah, they got
tornadoes
destroyed,
last
basically.
night. Then they're talking about severe weather today. We're trying to get our walk in.
Yeah, we're trying to get our
Some
walk
stuff,
in
so-
before, while it's not raining, because it just literally stopped. So yeah, hopefully all's not lost for this trip. We do have some celebratory stuff going on later. You know, Joni will get her cake
And eat it too.
and eat it too. And we still have to go check out the toboggan run. But, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, we're going to take a walk, get out and get your miles, just like us.
Yeah, and this may not seem like a very full of content style video for us, but honestly, this is how we like to do it. We like to just show you what just a normal weekend would look like. This is just a long weekend of us being here.
With a bunch of friends.
Celebrating birthdays with friends, and not a big agenda on any level.
The rain's not helping though.
No,
It's not helping.
not at all.
But it's still doable. You don't have to just stay at home because it rains.
Yeah, there's people across from us pulled in with a brand new teardrop. 4 kids and one's a baby, and they set a tent up. Yeah,
Feel bad for them. But
yeah,
they're out doing it.
yes they are.
You know, good for them. So as we're walking, I'll show you a little bit of this campground. 'cause I really can't get the drone up with all the rain. Not a lot of sites that are level, and they're all like semi-graveled. A lot of mud. You know, like right here, 306. The only sites that I've seen that have concrete pads are the ones we're in. Everything else is like this. I know you can't see that, but that goes down every bit of 2 feet from the front to the back. From here to there, every bit of a 2-foot drop. So the front of your camper would have to come all the way down just to level. And I've noticed when you have a turn, they put a cut through, pull through sight in, which is actually pretty smart. So that's not too bad. They got one right here. You pull through. Over here, pull through. So, yeah. But these sites, gravel, mud, and not level. All right, so while we were walking, we decided we're gonna find Trail 4 and just take Trail 4 because we're wearing boots.
Well, there's a paved section too, so that'd be nice to keep walking on.
Yeah, we were hoping to do some hikes, but they're gonna be way too muddy and not safe because it's very hilly. I definitely don't want to fall down a hill because I slipped in mud. So yeah, we're just trying to figure out other things we can do other than just sit around the camp.
You know, it's so funny. We got here on a Thursday and we kind of just drove in. There was nobody here. There wasn't really rangers. We did see them, a few of them, but we got here on a Thursday. We didn't have to pay to get in. Indiana has this thing that if you camp at the campground, you not only pay for your campsite, but then you have to pay a fee to be into the state park if you're a non-resident. $15 a day.
Well, it's $15 per state park visit. So if it's $15 for your whole time here, and then after this you come back, it's another $15.
Yeah.
Michigan does the same thing.
I guess I was really bothered by the whole thing of we paid $145 for 3 nights. And it was just for electric. Now our pad is concreted. I don't know if that was more money or not. But it kind of bothered me to think I paid $145 to park in electric only on an off season. So not that there was water or anything, it wasn't, but I feel like everything is so much more expensive to travel.
Yeah.
Still cheaper than the hotel and all this and that. But I was like, $145 for 3 nights.
Well,
then you get here and they want to charge, well, half the group got charged $15. I don't know how we got by with it, but we didn't.
well, they weren't open. They opened up Friday for the year.
Yeah,
We got here Thursday, so we didn't get charged.
yeah,
But if we go back out and somebody wants to be a stickler about it, they can stop us on the way in
yeah,
and charge us. So
yeah. We're not leaving. A right on it. To get back to our campsite.
so go straight
Make
till
a
we
right
find
up
a.
here. Paved. Oh, I see the
Oh, I
paved
see
trail.
it. It's paved.
That's what I was looking for.
Yep.
Okay, so we end up way over here.
Yeah,
We
4.
do some miles.
Yeah. That's one thing about this campground.
Yeah.
It's got a ton of hiking
Yeah. And bike trails. I
and
love
horse trails.
that. Like you get on these like paved paths and it's just for bicycles and
So far this weekend at Pokagon hasn't been as successful as we had hoped, but we have one more shot to make this a great birthday weekend. Well, this has definitely been the story of the weekend. It's not about just camping in the rain, but how well you can camp in the rain. I think we're doing it well. We're managing. So this may have been the worst rainy camping trip we've ever had as far as weather. But you know what? We're just trying to make the best of it. So we're getting ready right now for dinner. We're doing group dinner of tacos and all the fixings like that. We got a lot of people here. We're just, it's taken a lot to not be able to do the things you normally do, like go hiking and, you know, with the toboggan run being closed. We really wanted to do all that stuff, but when it comes down to it, just hanging with your friends is enough, right? So we're going to enjoy a good meal tonight, and I think we got something planned for later that it's kind of expected, but we're going to enjoy later. So we'll see you in a bit. So what are we bringing to the table?
Shredded beef, shredded chicken,
Shredded beef, shredded chicken for tacos.
and then cheese guacamole, and we also made some rice before lunch. So I'm just
Nice.
eating the rice. But yeah.
Very cool. Well, that's right. Cilantro lime rice.
Yeah.
Cilantro lemon rice. We didn't have lime juice.
Yeah. And lemon juice.
It'll be fine.
I need your extra set of hands.
You need my hands? All right.
I can finally have my cake and eat it too.
Like we'll be doing stuff and he'll be like,
Oh, it's really warm in here.
He'll get in there and sleep. He's there right now.
It's fun when we're together. It's fun just hanging out. It's fun when you're around. There's nothing better. It's the best when we're together. The very best.
Happy birthday
Just
to you.
hanging out. It's the best when you're around. There's nothing better. There's nothing better. Flying on a plane, riding on a train, singing in the rain, anything, dancing to the beat, herding some sheep, driving in a jeep. There's nothing better than us together.
All right. So is it impossible to enjoy a weekend with the kind of weather we've had? It's not impossible. It's difficult. I'm not going to lie. We had nothing but rain and more rain. But you make it what you want it to be, not what the weather dictates it should be. Hope you enjoyed this. Check out this video right here. We'll see you in the next one.